Who here drinks coffee? Okay. How many of you would say that you rely on coffee in order to get through the day? Well, I among you am one of those people, and today I will be telling you about the healthy benefits of drinking coffee. So, billions and billions of cups of coffee are consumed each and every day by people all across the world. And today, I will inform you on the benefits of drinking coffee in order to prevent diseases, benefit autophagy, and increase physical fitness. So, first, I will be speaking about disease prevention. So, coffee has many health benefits to preventing diseases. 3 to 4 cups of coffee a day can actually be beneficial. Anne Gullin, a journalist at the BMJ, which is a medical journal based in London, has found that researchers stated that consumption at this level was associated with 19% lower risk of mortality from cardiovascular disease, a 16% lower risk of mortality from coronary heart disease, and a 30% lower risk of mortality from stroke. So cardiovascular is something that most of us are familiar with, but if you're not, it's anything that is related to the heart or blood vessel. So it's one of the most important systems in our body. And so coronary heart disease and stroke are all conditions that can be caused from an unhealthy heart, in which drinking coffee can help to improve. Therefore, the risks of these diseases can go down. So statistics show that coffee can actually be beneficial for us and prolong our life. And by drinking coffee and having a healthier body, we can also improve our autophagy. Now, autophagy is a term that many of us aren't familiar with. And I, in fact, until I started researching this topic, I was also unfamiliar with it. And it's essential to one's health. And it is pretty much a cellular process essential to one's health. And according to Dirk Naylor, a professor of pharmacy at Wingate University, right here in North Carolina, autophagy is essential for degradation and recycling of cell components such as long-lived proteins, organelles, and other cytoplasmic contents. So it is required for the proper turnover of the mitochondria and helps with maintenance of muscle mass and muscle integrity. It also allows for exercise-induced plasticity, which is responsible for fiber type shifting, enhanced insulin sensitivity, and prevention of mitochondrial damage. And by inducing autophagy with caffeine, it allows for a positive impact on the skeletal muscle. And having a healthy skeletal muscle can increase in physical fitness. And this comes to my third topic of increasing someone's physical fitness. So people love to partake in physical fitness. I myself try and get to the gym at least 3 times a week. I would say it's a big part of my life to stay fit. And so how exactly does coffee benefit you in that way? Well, according to Taylor and Denny, both professors at the University of Colorado, they have stated that caffeine has been shown to improve respiratory efficiency, delay fatigue, and increase endurance. And so basically what this means is that respiratory efficiency allows for efficient breathing. And personally, growing up with asthma and having to deal with that, it's important during any workout to stay fit, to keep up that breathing, to make sure it's healthy and that you're good in that sense. The second is fatigue delay, which is a delay to tiredness, to keeping on going, to allowing yourself to go further, which leads us to an endurance increase, which allows us to finish the workout. And so coffee essentially just allows us to keep on going. And so what does this mean? It means that maybe having a cup of coffee before a workout isn't the worst thing in the world to do. And it could just very well be the thing needed to push you through to get to the end of your workout. So in conclusion, coffee is not really necessarily thought of as always being a healthy drink. It's just thought of something to enjoy, to something to help push you through that day. And no one really thinks of the effects of drinking coffee. So by drinking coffee, we can increase our physical fitness, we can reduce the potential for heart diseases, as well as improve our autophagy for a better lifestyle. And it's, in a sense, killing three birds with one stone. And this is the healthy benefits of drinking coffee. Thank you.